everyone, thanks for coming to see my channel, and today I wanna share another my progress on my future. My future plan is holding a place here in Japan where people from overseas could experiencing something exclusive and can feel Japanese atmosphere in my house as one of the experiential activities on Airbnb. And today what I'm gonna share is my progress on illustration work. I've been practicing using G-pen in my artwork like professional manga artists here in Japan. The G-pen is a pen actually used by Japanese manga artists and is known for its difficult handling. My planned Airbnb experience involves drawing illustrations like those in manga using actual tools used by professionals, as well as enjoying Japanese home-cooked meals. Therefore, I have spent this year drawing many pictures to master the use of the G-pen. Firstly, I'd like you to know the tool named G-pen. Handling a G-pen for drawing manga can be challenging for several reasons. Firstly, the G-pen has a flexible nib that can create a wide range of line widths depending on the pressure applied. While a G-pen can produce beautiful results and it's a traditional tool for manga artists, its complexity and the skill required to use it effectively make it a challenging tool for many. To master the G-pen, it's common to practice drawing lines, distinguishing between thick and thin lines. However, I didn't like spending time on boring exercises, so I've been studying English with a G-pen for a year. These notes have been written with a G-pen for about 5 months since the beginning of this year. Honestly, the lines I draw with the G-pen are not yet perfect, but it's clear that I can draw more neatly compared to when I started. Here's a review of each piece of work. This illustration is the first one I draw on camera. It's uploaded as a YouTube video, so if you want, please check it out. I was not yet accustomed to using the G-pen, so the facial contours are quite off. The next drawing is this high school girl. I draw her face larger to practice using the G-pen as much as possible. It was good practice for detailing hair and the highlights in the eyes. The third piece is this girl, one of my favorites. I draw it imagining the scene of the cultural experience I will host on Airbnb, so I put extra effort onto it. I think it turned out to be an attractive piece with a thematic depth. The fourth piece is also one of my favorites. After drawing many girls, I tried my hand at drawing a male character. This illustration was the first time I showed my face on camera while drawing. It was a commitment on my part. Since the illustration turned out well, I wanted many people to see it, which motivated me to take YouTube seriously. In this illustration, I draw a lot of morning glories, envisioning the Japanese summer with a cool yukata and morning glories in the background, creating a piece that conveys Japanese culture. The next piece I was drawing around the same time. The Japanese summer reminds me of yukatas. This illustration turned out to be a cute girl with big, impactful eyes, like those found in shoujo manga. I started using screen tones with this piece. Screen tones and solid black ink are essential in manga drawing, and from here I began to refine my illustrations to be more manga-like. The following piece focused on the fine lines drawn with the G pen. I'm not really good at drawing hands and feet, so this was a particularly good practice for me. Next, I drew this piece. I attempted to capture a girl like Nausicaa from Ghibli, using screen tones more skillfully to refine details like shadows in the hair. Then I drew this samurai, inspired by the illustration style of Demon Slayer. I regret drawing it a bit too roughly. It would have been more powerful if I had detailed the patterns on the clothing more finely. This next illustration, I used screen tones more than other pieces. There is a park in my hometown where Nemophila blooms beautifully, so I drew this thinking of a beautiful older sister from a shoujo manga visiting the Nemophila fields. The next illustration is my favorite, a Maiko. I had decided to focus more on the patterns of the clothing on the next time I draw kimonos or yukatas, so this might be the piece I spent the most time on. Recently, I completed this mysterious illustration, drawing a different artistic style. And I also have 2 illustrations that are currently works in progress. The reason I was able to keep my practice using G pen for my illustration is because my strong desire of hosting events on Airbnb. I will be delightful if you can support me to see me how much I can go with this project. So thanks for watching the video to the end. I hope you would revisit my channel again, and see you next time. Bye.